सशङ्खचक्रं सकिरीटकुण्डलं सपीतवस्त्रं सरसीरुहेक्षणं सहारवक्षस्थलकौस्तुभश्रियं नमामि विष्णुं शिरसा चतुर्भुजम्। ओम शांति शांति शांति। लक्ष्मीनारायणभ्यां नमः।
Om Namo Narayanaaya. Dear friends, on behalf of the Bhaktas of Sankatamochan Hanuman Mandir, I'd like to thank all of those Bhaktas, all of you who came from far and near in support of our 5 sessions of Shri Satyanarayana Vrat Katha. It was a grand success. Thank you for your support. My dear friends, we are told in the Shri Satyanarayana Vrat Katha in the very first chapter, those who perform this worship with bhakti, shraddha, samanvita, with strong faith and devotion, they will be blessed with 2 very important gifts. And those gifts are called bhukti and mukti. What is bhukti? Bhukti means when one does the puja with bhakti and shraddha, one will be blessed with all material comforts. Whatever one needs to live a comfortable and happy life in this life upon earth. And when one leaves this world at the time of death, such an individual will attain moksha, self-realization, oneness with Bhagavan, liberation from the cycle of birth and death, not heaven, but moksha. Now in the 5th chapter of the Shri Satyanarayana Vrat Katha, the very last chapter, the question is asked, what happened to these bhaktas, these devotees who performed this puja to Satyanarayana Bhagavan? What happened to the beggar from Kashi? What happened to the woodcutter? What happened to the sadhu varnik, the businessman? What happened to those bhaktas having worshipped Bhagavan with faith and devotion? My dear friends, the answer to these questions are found in the last chapter of the Shri Satyanarayana Vrat Katha. And we are told of this Brahman Shatanan who performed this puja, the first person who performed this puja in Kashi. This is what he received when he left this world. Om Shatanando Mahapragya Sudama Brahmano Hyabhut Tasmin Janmani Shri Krishnam Dhyatva Mokshamavaptaha Dhyatva Mokshamavapaha. So in the 5th chapter, the 19th verse, we are told that Shatanan Brahman, in his next life, he became Sudama, the dear friend of Bhagavan Krishna. Param Mitra it's called in Sanskrit. Bhagavan Krishna ke Param Mitra Sudama, in his previous life, he was Shatanan Brahman, who was the first person to perform Satyanarayana Vrat Katha upon this earth. Now, what happened to the woodcutter? We are told in, again, chapter 5, number 20, verse number 20. Kashta bharvaro bhillo guharajo babhuvaha tasmin janmani Shri Ramam sevya moksham jagamavai. In the next life of the woodcutter, he became the Bhila Guha, the king of the Guhas. And we know when Shri Ram was exiled, the first person he met when he was exiled for 14 years, one of the first persons he met was Guha, the king of the Bhilas, and he hugged Guha. Guha was considered an outcast. And Bhagavan hugged him, and he stayed one night with Guha. So this woodcutter became Guha in his next life. He got the physical darshan of Ramji, and he attained moksha when he left the world. Ulka Mukha Raja. What happened to Ulka Mukha Raja? We are told in verse number 21. Ulka Mukho Maharagyo Nripo Dashratho Bhavat. So Ulka Mukha Raja in his next life became Raja Dashrath, the father of Bhagavan Sri Ram. And he, having worshipped Ranganatham, his Kuladevata, he attained moksha. Raja Dashrath ji, who was Ulka Mukha in his previous life. Om Dharmika Satya Sandhoscha Sadhur Moradhvajo Bhavut. Now the Sadhu Varnik, this businessman who bartered with Bhagavan, who did not keep his promise, who went through many, many challenges, but at the end of it, realization dawned upon him and he did the right thing at the right time. He worshipped Bhagwan with Shraddha and Bhakti, Samanvita, strong faith and devotion. He became Raja Moradhwaj in his next life, a very famous king, and he also attained moksha. Now, Tungadhwaj Raja was one bhakta who performed the puja to Satyanarayan Bhagavan. Who he became in his next life? Tungadhwajo Maharaja Swayam Bhuvo Bhavat Kila. Tungadhwaj Raja became Swayambhu Manu. And he became the Manu at the beginning of the next kalpa. And of course, he attained oneness with Bhagavan. Om Bhutva Gopaschate Sarve Vrajamandalavasinaha. And the Gops and the Gwals who performed this puja with tremendous faith and devotion when the king went there hunting one day, in the 5th chapter we are told, and he was disrespectful to the prasad. When the Gops and Gwals saw him around, at the end of their puja, they took prasad and they offered to the king. He was totally disrespectful to the prasad out of his abhiman, his pride. And he went through many, many challenges with his kingdom when he went home. He came back and he took that prasad and begged for forgiveness, and Bhagavan forgave him. Of also those Gopas who worship Bhagavan with so much faith and devotion, they became the Gopis and the Gwal of Vrindavan. My friends, these are the examples we have of devotees who performed this puja to Shri Satyanarayana Bhagavan with faith and devotion, with love for Bhagavan. And this was the reward. This is how each bhakta was rewarded for their Shraddha and Bhakti. My friends, we also will be rewarded when we perform this puja with faith and devotion. We will be blessed with, again, the two most important gifts in life. Bhakti, we will enjoy all material comforts. And when we leave this world at the time of death, we will attain oneness with Bhagavan, moksha, which is the whole purpose of this human life, to realize who we are, to become one with Paramatma. Boliye Satyanarayana Bhagavan ki jai. Bhaj man Narayan Narayan.
Bhaj man Narayan Narayan.
Bhaj man Narayan Narayan.
Bhaj man Narayan Narayan.
Kya hasna kya rona pagle hoga wahi jo hona.
Bhaj man
Narayan Narayan.
Bhaj man Narayan Narayan.
Kya hasna kya rona pagle hoga wahi jo hona.
Bhaj man Narayan Narayan. Bhaj man Narayan Narayan.
कुटुंबक बेला बेटा बेटी सब अपने कर्मों की खेती। मीठा फल हर जग में चाहे, मीठा फल हर जग में चाहे। बीच न करवाओ ना पगले, बीच न करवाओ ना।
भज मन नारायण नारायण। भज मन
नारायण
नारायण।
क्या हंसना क्या रोना पगले होगा वही जो होना।
भज मन
नारायण नारायण। भज मन नारायण नारायण। श्री सत्यनारायण भगवान की जय।
जय 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 बजरंग बली, बजरंग बली। महावीर हनुमान गोसाई, महावीर हनुमान गोसाई, तुम्हारी याद भली। जय 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 बजरंग बली, जय 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 बजरंग बली।
महावीर हनुमान गोसाई, महावीर हनुमान गोसाई, तुम्हारी याद भली।
जय 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 बजरंग बली, जय 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 बजरंग बली। साधु संत के हनुमत प्यार।